Good morning, everyone. This is Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Today I decided to do not a staycation and not a corporate jammy day, but this is actually a day where I'm going to be filming some B-roll footage that I lost and wanted to do during my winter workshop. So today in TOCtown.com I'm going to be covering some of the local technical tools that I use and also that I'm testing out. The label maker that I've been using to label all of my technical equipment, the wires, the computers, everything that goes out of the studio and comes back in gets labeled so it doesn't get lost. Also a review of the Old Navy jewelry that I purchased, and also a few clothes that I picked up just to do production post. And last but not least is my trainer's tote that I packed up for the weekend just so I don't have to look for stuff. So stay tuned to TOCtown.com. Of course, if you have any questions or any comment, leave them down in the section below. I'll be glad to answer you. And if it's personal issue concerning being an administrator, then just direct message me or inbox me if you're listening or seeing this in Facebook. But I look forward to updating you on the local level as well as some of my retreat / business book club items that we're going to be covering this spring and summer season. Alrighty, I'm Nicole, your mobile bloggist for TOCtown.com. Wishing you a great day. Take care.